So you may ask the question, is ministry marketing online simple? Or can I really use it to preach the gospel, to maybe promote my ministry, my school, my book, or for preaching even, preaching the Word of God, and yes, for profit, for provision, for the vision. Hey, I'm Teresa Croft. Thank you so much for allowing me for the past 3.5 years to share basic principles of marketing that you can take advantage of online. I've enjoyed sharing video series, how easy it is to get started. I think one of my favorite was 9 reasons why no one is watching your videos. I love it, and this is what I have in this video and offer to you. We've got a special series that leads up to the answer of ministry marketing being made simple and easy. So I'm inviting you to check out this series where I'll ultimately show you a simple service to get these elements and system in place. The elements include introduction to some basic power of the being online, basic master of SEO, that stands for search engine optimization. You get this one little key down, it's amazing the results you can see. Also, I'll help you out with a content creation made easy, from blogs, even being able to blog on your phone, to videos. Of course, you know I love videos. And to other content creation methods, from articles to using social media like Facebook and Twitter. All summed up, it's ministry marketing made simple for you. So it's so important. I invite you to join. Submit your primary email address and get ready for ministry marketing made simple.